Hi friends, since we're talking about ramps today, and you guys are going to try to build your own ramp for science, we are going to read a book called All About Ramps. Let's walk around the community and look for ramps. Do you see a ramp? Actually, friends, these are all ramps. The skateboard ramp, it's a ramp to go down the water slide, a ramp for the man to climb up to get all the packages and boxes that he's moving into the moving truck. The side of the hill where he's skiing down is a ramp. This is a ramp so the little boy could cross the bridge. And this is a ramp too with all the apples, the machine with all the apples. The slide on the playground is a ramp. Ramps take you from a high place to a low place. A ramp is high on one end and low on the other end. That's why a slide is a ramp, because the slide is high at the top where you climb up the stairs, and then when you slide down, you go low. This train track has a ramp. The train is moving down the ramp. The train moves fast down the ramp. The side of a hill is a ramp. It's fun to slide down the hill on a sled. The hill is so steep, so we can move fast. Sliding is to move along a surface while constantly touching it. So when you sled down a hill, you're sliding. This roller coaster has many ramps. Some of the ramps are straight and some curve. Ramps can be curvy or straight. And look at all the ramps in that picture. They go really high and drop you all the way low. These highways are ramps. They go over and under so cars can get to the other side. Under the highway ramps are strong supports that hold ramps up, because a ramp always needs a support, something that's going to hold it up. Ramps are also called inclined planes. Inclined planes make work easier. It's easier to unload the luggage using this ramp. Ramps are one kind of simple machine. That's the end of our book. And as you can see, there's ramps all around us to make things easier. But your job is to try and make a ramp that you can slide and roll your ball down. And that ramp is probably going to make your ball roll really fast. We can't wait to see the ramps you build. Make sure you send us pictures. Bye, friends. Talk to you soon.